Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pet routine video, basically just showing you guys how I take care of my animals day to day, pretty much from morning to night. Now the middle of the day is a little lax. We generally just chill. It's a rainy day, so we're not going to be able to take the dogs outside as much as I would hope. I think you guys will enjoy this video. I just wanted to show you guys how I basically take care of my animals in a day. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage, and I will see you later.
Good morning, babies. Good morning. Come on. Go outside. Go outside. Come on. Good babies. Good morning, meows. Did you see good last night? Did you see good? Yes. Good morning. Good morning. You can't go outside, I'm sorry. You can't go out there, the birds are out there. Baby, yes. I love you. You're a good girl.
Okay guys, that is it for my pet routine video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the footage of my babies. I had fun filming this for you guys. This is pretty much what it's like taking care of all my pets in a day. It's really easy and really chill. They're really good animals. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Be kind. Bye.